Welcome to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Alley in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hello, welcome back to Alley in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer, and I'm gonna do something out of my comfort zone. I'm doing a dish called Shrimp Poutine that I kind of stumbled my way into. What is Shrimp Poutine? It's from Montreal, it's a Canadian dish, and it's shrimp and French fries with like a cheesy sauce on top, and it's for hangovers. What I loved is kind of has a cream sauce on it, like macaroni and cheese a little bit. So I'm gonna do my version of poutine. It's really simple, and it comes into the whole world of sheet pan cooking. So you can make your shrimp and your French fries in the fryer, deep fry. I'm not doing none of that. I'm doing a quick version because I'm lazy and I want this to be quick and easy, and I don't feel like slaving over the stove. So let me show you how I get down. Really, I am going to coat my one sheet pan with olive oil spray. And then one side I'm gonna put the French fries. You can also do tater tots too. Tater tots are really good, or tater tots and French fries. I've actually done it a couple ways. But I'm just gonna put, see if you can see this. I'm just gonna put my French fries on one side. You know, you can do really thin French fries too. This is what I had in my freezer. And then I'm doing wild caught shrimp that I had frozen in my freezer, and I defrosted them. And then you put seasoning on them, and you put them in the oven to bake. And it's that simple. And then we're gonna make the cream sauce on the stove top, and then you just put them all together. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven for, it probably takes the French fries take a little bit longer, but it'll probably take 15-20 minutes for them to cook. The shrimp cooks pretty fast, but the French fries take a minute. And this is one sheet pan cooking. Can't get any easier than that. I have my French fries on one side. You can do any kind of fries. You can also do tater tots. And I have my shrimp, my Argentinian red shrimp wild caught on one side. And now I'm just gonna season everything. I'm gonna do garlic powder. And I am going to do onion powder, onion salt. And I just love doing an easy one sheet cooking. So much easier. Cook it all on one sheet. Clean it all up on one sheet. I'm gonna do some Old Bay seasoning. I love Old Bay seasoning. It's really used for, you know, when you do crawfish and shrimp and anything else. And it's actually a great, great flavor. Kicks it up a little bit. And why not put some on your French fries? And then I'll do a little bit of my own essence on there. You know, the essence on my website, where this is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, thyme, oregano, all mixed in one that I make. I'm actually out of it. I gotta make it. It is all on my site, the recipe. Alrighty. Now, this is gonna go into the oven for about 15-20 minutes on 450. And I'm just gonna let it cook. Before it gets the shrimp gets overcooked, I'm gonna come back and put some lime on it and stuff like that. But it goes into the oven, and then I'm gonna make my cheese sauce. 450, 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Let's get ready for the sauce now. So I'm gonna make the cream sauce for shrimp poutine, and it's kind of like a macaroni sauce, to be honest with you. It's butter, which who doesn't love butter? 2 tablespoons of butter. melt down right away. And once we melt that down, we are going to put 2 tablespoons of flour in. So I gotta wait for it to melt. So let this melt. Come over here and see what it's doing. The butter is gonna melt down. It's not melted yet. It's getting there. Just any kind of cheese you like, cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is always my favorite. Turn it down just a teeny bit. I had it on medium high to get it kick started, but I'm gonna turn it down to medium now because I don't want to burn my sauce. I want my sauce to be creamy and yummy and buttery, not burn. That is super important. It's just like macaroni and cheese. I always do a cream sauce for my mac and cheese. This is very similar, just less of it. You know, my mac and cheese has like a big giant pot of cream sauce, which I absolutely love. So okay, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna mix it. Where's my mixer? We're gonna mix it up. Okay, well, it's a little high now. Turn it down to medium low. There you go. We're gonna add another one. Another tablespoon of flour. Yes. All right, it's starting to thicken up. Now I gotta add about 1.5 cups of milk. And then I'm gonna start adding cheese to it. Cheese I grated, this is cheddar cheese. Cheddar cheese is gonna start melting. I'm gonna put some Old Bay seasoning in it. You know what? I need some garlic in here now. It didn't call for garlic, but Allie in the Valley's version needs garlic. So I'm gonna turn it down just a little so I can chop up some garlic. I love garlic. I'm obsessed with garlic. I put garlic in everything. I put garlic in my eggs, okay? Just regular old eggs, I put garlic in. I know I got my gloves on because I gotta get in the oven. And this dish is so out of sight. It's so sinful. It really is, but sometimes you gotta do sinful things like eat shrimp with french fries with a cheese cream sauce, okay? That's just how life is. Sometimes you just gotta indulge, enjoy it, taste it, experience, and be happy that you can. Okay, let's get it. I think it's done. So we're really waiting for the french fries, but I think they're done. Let's try it. Ooh yeah, baby. All right, my 1 sheet cooking. All right, dish is done. Okay, and then here is the cream sauce I made to go with it. French fries, or you could do tater tots. Now, my french fries are a little, they have a little of the shrimp juice, that's okay. Then you put the scrimps on top. The scrimps on top, you got bay seasoning in here, and then, I mean, come on, look at this. Then you just pour cheesy, creamy sauce on top. Okay, you don't want to overdo it because it is really heavy. It's heavy, but let me just tell you, it is damn good. Oh, excuse me, it's darn good. Let me get a fork. See how it came out? It's hot. No more burning my mouth. That's comfort food. You can't get any more comfort food than something like this. This is Canadian comfort food. French fries with shrimp with a cheese cream sauce. Shrimp Poutine. I love it. It's so good. You gotta try it. Your indulgent night, people will die. And I'm serving this at my next party because it's so easy. 1 sheet in the oven, a cream sauce, seasoning. Oh, I forgot the lime. Oh my God. Well, I forgot the lime. So good. You can put a little lime little parsley on top. I didn't even get there because it's so good. I don't even need it. This is the bomb. I feel like I'm at a carnival or something. It's so good. Maybe those Canadians know something. You know what the recipe is. Where? www.AllieInTheValley. If you love this recipe, if you love my channel, send me a message in social media, at my handlers, on YouTube, anywhere you see me, send me a message. I want to hear from you. What do you want me to cook next? What do you love? What kind of food you love? I am here for you. I cook for you. Allie in the Valley. Yum. Shrimp Poutine. You better try this.